how to manage who can join you in experiences on Roblox PC. Hello guys, so first thing you have to do is go to roblox.com. This is the website of Roblox, as you can see right here, and go log into your account. Of course, as you can see, this is my profile. Now go to the top corner, click here, click on settings, and after you click on settings, now click here on privacy. After you click on privacy, now on this page, all what you have to do is so simple. Just go right here, scroll down, and you will find who can join me in experiences, and click here and choose everyone or friends or no one if you don't want any join. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.